Guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, let's learn how to edit and resize blog images. Let's get started. On the blog post editor, click directly on the image you want to change to bring up the toolbar, which is this one. To resize it quickly, use the alignment icons to choose compact, standard, extended, and original size. To edit the actual photo, click on the Edit Image button or the pencil icon, and this opens the Photo Studio. From here on the Wix Photo Studio, you can crop and extend your image. You can also adjust it or add filters to it. You can also use fun tools such as Object Eraser to move a certain object from your image, or AI Image Editor, where you can select the area you want to change and describe the image you would like instead. You also have the Regenerate tool, which you can use as your starting point to get exactly what you're looking for. AI will analyze the image and create a prompt you can edit. You also have Cutout to create auto cutouts. And if you want to add additional elements like texts, decorative elements, or overlays and background, this is where you can find them. Always click on Save once you're done editing your photo to save all the progress you've made. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.